Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sangeeta Chaudhary and once again I welcome everyone to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about various complications of high blood pressure or hypertension. Many times when we have hypertension, we tend to think that what will be our future life? Will I develop any complications of hypertension or what are the complications I may develop? I should be watchful and aware of what complications. So to answer all this, we need to know about what are the different organ systems can be involved as a part of complications of hypertension. So the commonest complication of hypertension occurs in the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system there can be left ventricular hypertrophy, there can be coronary artery disease, even myocardial infarction may also occur as a complication of hypertension. There can be aortic aneurysms, there can be aortic dissections, there can be peripheral arterial disease. Among other vascular complications, there will be enhanced atherosclerosis. Okay, enhanced atherogenesis will be there. There will be stiffening and hardening of the arteries. So these are certain common cardiovascular complications of hypertension. Next come the complications of central nervous system. There can be transient ischemic attack. There can be stroke, like there can be ischemic stroke. There can be hemorrhagic stroke. There can be hypertensive encephalopathy, or there may be cognitive impairment due to hypertension. Next comes the kidney. What may happen in the kidney due to long-standing hypertension? There may be nephrosclerosis in the kidney. Okay, there may be chronic kidney disease leading to end-stage renal disease. So these are certain common complications of hypertension in the kidney. Next comes the eyes. Okay, what happens in the eyes? In the eyes, there may be arteriolar narrowing, there may be exudates, soft exudates, hard exudates, there may be hemorrhage in the retina. Okay, there may be papilledema in cases of malignant hypertension, and in severe cases, there may be vision loss also. Okay, so these are the complications of hypertension in eyes. Now, in cases of pregnancy, hypertension may result in eclampsia. There may be preeclampsia. Okay, these are some important complications of hypertension during pregnancy. There may be hypertensive emergencies or hypertensive urgency also. What is hypertensive emergency? Hypertensive emergency means very severe hypertension where the patient presents with end organ damage. So what could be the end organ damage? End organ damage can be heart failure, it can be renal insufficiency, it can be stroke, it can be pulmonary edema. So these are certain dramatic presentation of hypertensive emergency. In hypertensive urgency, patient may present with very high blood pressure, though there is no evidence of any end organ damage, right? There may be metabolic complications of hypertension as well. There can be worsening of diabetes mellitus. The hypertension can be associated with metabolic syndrome. Okay, so these are some complications of hypertension or high blood pressure. We should be, watchful about. We should be careful about all these complications so that we can prevent this complication. The first and foremost important thing by which we can prevent the complication is blood pressure control. So if our blood pressure remains within control, we do have less chances of development of these complications. But once we have developed these complications, many a time the patients will come to us with late presentation when the patient has already developed end organ diseases and organ damages. In that case, also we need to have a strict control of high blood pressure. Okay, along with we should try for the we should try so that the complication does not progress. We can halt the complications. Okay, so this is all about which I wanted to discuss in this class. Thank you so much for your patience hearing.